Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change Google Chrome avatar to custom picture. First go to google.com and then on the top right corner go to your user profile and then here you will see pen icon. Just click on that. Now add profile picture. Just click on that. Now you can upload your own profile picture from your computer. Just click on that and then upload from computer. Select your profile picture. Click on next. Save as profile picture. And there you go. As you can see, I have changed Google Chrome avatar to custom picture. So this is how you can change Google Chrome avatar to custom picture. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.